Hey guys, Sanlaki here and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna go over the Sanlaki 11 table tennis adapter. I'm gonna show you how to install it on the controller and how to line it up in game using the Sanlaki preset. I shared the 3D models on Thingiverse for free, so anyone with a 3D printer can make one. This is how you install it. Putting it together is very easy. I created this adapter because the controllers don't feel anything like a paddle. I made the handle with wooden PLA for a better texture feel. If you get the Plus version, you'll get bottom counterweights that you can use to adjust the center of balance. Now, let's go over in-game setup. First, you need to open up the menu and go to the paddle settings. Then, select the Sanlaki preset. This will automatically line up your controller. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.